Today I want to show y'all how this dog, he minds so good. I want to show you something. Get that ball over here, dog. Come on. Let's get your dog. Let's get your ball and play with it. I ain't got no damn ball. Where he done playing over here. There you go. That's what I want y'all to see, how good he mind me. Come on, bring the ball back, boy. Come on, bring it on right. You see, he working his way over this way. Bring the ball back, boy. Bring it on back, son. There you go. Joby, I'm over here, boy. Hey, boy. Don't go in that damn water. I'm over here. Don't go. You gonna get wet. You gonna get wet. I ain't gonna take you home. Well, come on. He got his damn feet wet now. Shit, dog. Come on over here, Joby. Come on. Let's show him how good you do now. Come on right here to me, boy. Come on right here. I want you to show him how good you know how to mind me. Come on. I'm waiting on you to throw your ball back to you, boy. Bring it on back. He's just studying it right now. Come on, boy. He got to do a little meditating. You know how dogs is and all. They have to think a little bit and ponder the whole situation. Cause oh, Joby, what you doing, dog? Joby, that's the nastiest thing I ever seen you do. Bring your ball. This shit gonna get on your ball. Bring it on back. Oh, boy. No, you making a mess. Oh, good night. Dog, crank that car up, girl. Crank that car. Get me out of here. I ain't taking that old shitty dog out with me.